Well, hello everyone. Long time no see. Welcome to Paisley's Girls Life in the Garden. I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick little episode. Um, Easter is coming up, and Carmen definitely wants to color some eggs. So I wanted to show you how to boil your eggs in a Ninja pressure cooker. It's one of those pressure cookers that has the air fryer, the bacon roast, and all that good stuff. Um, so we're going to go ahead and get that started. And this, let me tell you, was the easiest eggs to peel when you hard boil them. I've tried it all. The boiling with the lemon, boiling with the baking soda, boiling with vinegar, and every time I went to peel the eggs, we always had a few that were just not so pretty. And since we've done this, I haven't had any problems. I mean, I'm talking slips right off when you're ready to eat the egg. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so we have the eggs. And this here is a little stand that we can use in our little Ninja here. This also has another stand that can double it so you can do more eggs at a time. We're only going to do 7 for now. But this is our little Ninja pressure cooker / air fryer, slow cooker. It just does everything. So on top here you have the lid. It just opens up. And inside here, to process the eggs, it asks for a half cup of water. I've already put that in there. So we're going to go ahead and take this little handy dandy little shelf thing here and put the eggs in with pointy side up. Now, I do not know, and I cannot tell you if it works for fresh farm eggs because I have not tried that. These are just store-bought eggs that we got to use for today's project. So we got those in there setting, and you would think that you have to take the lid and put it down now. Nope, this is the air frying lid. This here is your pressure canning lid, or not pressure canning, pressure cooking. You can tell I've been pressure canning today. It's on the mind. So you're going to take it and you're going to put it on. Make sure that it gets on there good and secure. And it's on and twist it locked. So it does. There we go. Then up here you have, this is the open valve and then the shut for the pressure. We're going to have it shut. You're going to come down here and hit pressure, time, down to 4 minutes, and the temperature is on high, and then you're going to go ahead and hit start. And you'll see that it's going around like that, and while it's building up the pressure in there. And then once that is done, and it's done its 4 minutes, you'll come back up here to the top, and be very careful because it's hot. But you'll flip this little gauge that way, and the steam will come out. And once that stops steaming, then it should be safe to remove the lid. Alright, so it has been 4 minutes, and we're going to go up here, and I'm going to use these little tongs to be safe because this does come out hot. We're just going to take it and turn it that way and release the steam. Once that stops steaming, we'll be able to take the lid off and the eggs will be finished. And then little Carmen gets the do her Easter egg decorating kit. She's going to be so excited. So once that pressure comes down, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but once that pressure comes down, we'll be able to remove the lid. So now you want to take your lid off. Always pull away from your face. Steam is going to still come up. And there's your wonderful little hard-boiled eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and take these and transfer them to a bowl so that they can cool down. And we'll be ready to start dyeing here very soon. Hey everyone, meet Carmen. Can you say hi? Say hi everyone. You'll probably hear our little puppy in the background. He's whining for some attention, so we'll have to give him some attention here pretty soon. So as I told you, we're going to be coloring Easter eggs. Nothing fancy, just something a little fun, a little project to do with Carmen this morning. I'm going to put you over here so that you can see what we're doing. We have everything set up. We have the eggs, which I can put right here. We have the little box that we can put the eggs on, since we're only going to do 6 of those. And then we also have the little egg dipper here. Now, with my experience with these, they're a little complicated. I know something so simple, but sometimes they're really hard to get a hold of the egg when they're in the bowl or the cup that you're using. Now, the little kit that we had only has 4 little colors, so that's what we're going to be doing today.
Color!
Yeah, colors. And then we have a little bit of white vinegar. And then on the side here we have warm water. And we're going to put about a half a cup of warm water in each of the cups. And the reason for the vinegar is because I always found that it brightens the colors a little bit more. And you only need a splash. So we're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of that in there.
We're going to put there?
Yep, just a little bit.
That's cool. We're going to put a cup.
Yes, we're going to put it in here in the cup.
Go put a cup.
Yep, we got to get this cup too, you're right. So just a little splash in each one. I just found that it helps brighten up the color. Alright, Carmen, are you ready? Okay, you're going to do the first one here. Put this in that cup. Good job. Put this one in this cup. Well, this one here. Right here. Good job. You had to think about that one, huh? And then right here. Way to go. Now we're going to pour the hot water in, or as I should say, warm. About a half cup.
Where's the butter first? What is cool?
Yes. Ooh, we got green, yellow.
Yellow!
This is yellow. This is green.
Green!
Green, good job. Looks like orange.
Orange!
And blue.
It's blue!
Yeah. Now, yesterday we showed you the Ninja pressure cooker, how to do your boiling egg. It saves so much time. I did not show you how it peels. Now, typically I would peel these after I get them out, but we're going to go ahead and peel one now and see how it does. So what I do is turn you just a little bit this way.
We're going to put egg. We're going to put egg.
Well, I think I need a little harder surface. There we go. I hit both ends, get it cracked open, and I kind of just roll it around.
Egg. Let's go put there. We'll put egg. That's sweet. Where's there? Sister.
And then I also usually run it with
Apple.
warm water.
The green.
But it's not sticking at all. As you can see, it's pretty coming off pretty easily.
The water.
And there you have it. Now, for some reason this one has a little flat end, as you can see. That doesn't matter, still will taste good. So we'll have that later for a snack, right, Carmen? We'll have that for a snack later. Okay, so let's go back to what we were doing here. Bring you up. And we're going to mix up these once they get completely dissolved.
We're going to put in it all.
Yeah, we'll put the egg in there whole, you're right.
Wait,
We're going to let these dissolve.
It's very careful.
And then we'll be ready to put the eggs in.
Chicken. We're going to put eggs.
Yeah, we're going to put eggs in.
Egg near.
Alright, all the tablets have dissolved as far as I can tell. These ones are pretty similar. I don't know what to look at like when we get done with them. But Carmen is going to go ahead and grab an egg and put it in a cup. Go ahead. Put it in this cup. Easy, easy. Okay, pick up another one. Put it right here. Very good. Another one.
Eggs?
Nope, right here.
Right there.
Easy. Good job. Get your other one.
Eggs there.
And put it in the blue.
The blue.
Yep. Alright, so we're going to let these sit for a while and let them get some color on them, and then we'll continue on. Alright, Carmen, I think we're ready to take the eggs out. Now, we let these sit probably about 15 minutes. And I know the longer you let them sit, the better. Working with a 4-year-old whose patience is very limited. But as you can see, they turned out beautiful, didn't they?
Oh, pretty.
Yep. Yes, pretty. So we're going to put them over here on the little stand. We'll show you those afterwards.
Pretty.
Isn't it pretty? That's blue.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
Green.
That's not green, that's yellow.
It's right here.
We're still working on our colors, everyone.
I
Then the
know.
next one is orange.
Orange.
Yes, you gotta be careful.
Very hot.
It's not hot, it's just, I don't want you to stain your fingers.
It's still cleaner.
Yes.
But water. It's blue.
And look at that pretty green egg.
It's blue.
That's pretty green.
I know.
Alright, Carmen, now you have 2 more eggs. You can choose whatever color you want to put them in.
You put there.
Put it in one of your eggs. Easy. Put it in one of your cups, I mean. You want green? Okay, easy. Put it in there. Okay, the last egg. Which color are you going to choose? You're going to choose orange, yellow, or blue. Orange? Okay, green and orange it is. So we're going to let those sit.
Uh-oh.
And here's the eggs that we just did.
Blue bear. The blue.
And that's what we're going to do. We're going to sit here and let these finish drying. And we're going to continue doing our little project. And then I see that we have some little egg holders that we can have once they get done.
Okay.
And we're just spending the day having a good time getting ready for the Easter celebration tomorrow. Also, everyone, happy Easter. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And while we're on here, please like and subscribe and hit that button down below for notification. That way you don't miss any of our videos. Can you say bye, everyone?
Bye.
And also, today, or not today, actually Monday, will be our other granddaughter's 9th birthday. Can you believe it? Oh, she's growing up so much. So if everyone could wish her a happy 9th birthday. Her name is Amelia. We also she goes by Mia, or as Carmen calls her, Mimi. And we'll put a picture in here so you can see who she is. Beautiful, lovely girl. We love her so much, and we are so blessed to have her as a granddaughter. So thank you all again so much for joining us. We're going to finish having fun with these eggs and let Carmen enjoy doing her coloring today. Yes, thank you so much. We love you, we bless you, and until next time,
Bye.
share, share, share.
Share, share, share.
Bye, bye, bye.